Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Tuesday. And we're back with another project today, and it just so happens this is part 3 of our bed redesign. We're gonna plant some new plants today.
Super exciting everybody. We're gonna show you all about it. You're gonna get to look and see what we're gonna do. So if you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
Thank you so much for watching and being here today, you guys. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click that button down below so you get updated when we post our latest videos. And today we are gonna plant some new flowers under our dogwood tree.
Yay!
Yay! We need to add some color and increase our curb appeal. We've been kind of waiting for our bulbs to die back, and now it's finally time.
We've got a great plant selection. We're gonna show you what we're gonna plant, how we're gonna do it, and why we set them out the way we did. So guys, walking up from the driveway, here's some new plants right here. We've got some super petunias here, and we've got ourselves one of our African daisies. And so we're gonna plant them in this configuration with the daisy behind the petunias, and the petunias will then cascade out over the bed and out.
This area will get part sun in the afternoon. It'll actually get a lot of sun, so we figure this will be a good spot for these.
So guys, here we are under our dogwood tree, and this part gets a little bit of sun, but more shade than the area we just showed you.
And it increases in shade as we move up the driveway. So where we're planting more of a part sun kind of garden over here, this area is going to be our shade garden.
Yep.
It gets very little sunlight up here.
So very little sun here, guys, and you can see we've got there's some coleus right there, some new ones that we're going to place throughout here, and they're going to be around the hellebores right there. And then we've got our primroses.
Now, if you watched our video yesterday, you saw that we removed and transplanted 2 lavender plants.
One was right up over there, and one was right where that coleus is right there. Yep, they've been transplanted, and now we're free and clear to put these in.
So the exciting thing coming up, and we really have to practice our patience here, is we're gonna divide our beautiful hostas later this fall, and that's gonna replace the coleus. Now, as you might know, coleus are annuals, so they're not gonna live over in this climate. So sadly, we'll be able to enjoy them for now, and then they will die back, and we'll be able to replace them with a perennial hosta that will come up year after year.
And they'll really like it under here, you guys. If you remember part 1, we removed all the vinca out of this area. So this is how this is developed and where we're at right now. It's pretty exciting. So guys, wanted to show you the results here. Here are the coleus planted in the full shade area, or mostly full shade area. You can see those went in, we got them spaced out. They're gonna look great. Here, let's look a shot there. There you go, right underneath the dogwood tree. That looks beautiful.
Yeah, we would love to add more and kind of fill in a little with a little more color, but we hardly grew any full shade plants this year. But that's okay.
Here is the partial shade, partial sun area. Look at the combination of those daisies in the back, right there. And then here's the petunias that just went in with it. Look at that color combination, isn't that beautiful?
And they're gonna really fill in. We planted them we spaced them maybe a little closer than they should have, but we want them to really fill in and just like explode with color.
Yep, and again guys, you know, right plant, right place. These plants will get all the same amount of water, sunlight, and they're all in the same soil, and it's well draining and rich soil, and so they're all gonna thrive in this area. Petunias and a daisy right behind it, beautiful.
We really upped the curb appeal, which is what we were going for, just pops of color from the street.
Yep, there you go guys, how's that? You
And
like that?
we're pretty happy with it.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
We cannot wait to get the hostas divided later this fall.
So guys, that's a wrap.
We're pretty happy with the way it turned out, and the very last phase, like we already stated, will be hosta division later this fall.
We'll make sure to record that and put it on a video so you can see how we do that. So go ahead and leave your comments and questions below for us. We love hearing from you. And give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and then also subscribe to the channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
And that's a wrap for today. We're pretty happy with the progress, so hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for being here, and we'll be back tomorrow with another new project.
Yep. Until then, we'll see you later.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye-bye.